So it's the next day and I'm sorry if there is an audio issue because मैं माइक लेना भूल गई हूँ and currently I am out. तो मैं मेरे मामा को मिलने आई थी. अभी बजे है कुछ से अराउंड 12:30 और 1 o'clock. मतलब मैंने सुबह उठ के टाइम पास ही किया, फिर नहा के दिखा आई एम वेयरिंग एंड माई फ्रेंड मामा के घर पे गई थी. मामा को मिली, मामा का पैर छुआ. देन माई फ्रेंड कॉल्ड मी, शी सेड शी इज़ हियर. So I'm gonna meet her like after more than a year now. So she asked me to come to this location. I'm here. So gonna meet them. So I'll मतलब वो लोग आने के बाद I'll show you. Here is the friend I was talking about. I'm meeting her after like more than a year and on my birthday because she was here. So how are you? I'm good and she's my bestie again now. तो या इसके साथ मेरा और एक दोस्त आया है. योर ही इज सुयोग एंड इसको भी मैं बहुत टाइम बाद मिल रही हूँ. तो या अभी हम लोग बातचीत करते हैं जो भी है बाद में. आई विल सी यू गाइस लेटर.
ब्लॉग बघितला मी आज.
लिविंग नाउ, वी आर डन. विल मीट सून अगेन एंड मला हे गिफ्ट दिलंय त्यांनी. थँक्यू. मी होणार. I'll see you guys थोड़े टाइम में. Bye bye. Back home and to get this surprise. So my friends Bidu gang basically sent me this cake. Thank you so much guys. And Archana and Shreya has sent me this thing. And thank you so much guys for this surprises. This is like overwhelming for me. I mean it's lockdown and we can't meet and stuff, but still you know sending this love it means a lot. So that's it. मैं धीरे बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरी बहन का ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहा है वहाँ पे. I can't really know. I'm tired. So अभी खाना खाते हैं and then I'll see. I think so I might go somewhere. So where I'm going, what I'm gonna do, I'll tell you guys later. But for now, let me just have my food. Okay, I'm having on the pancake which Archana and Shreya sent me. और बहुत ज़्यादा धीरे बोल रही हूँ और ऑडियो इशू होगा क्योंकि बहन का क्लास्टर बैग मेंशन. So let me just throw on the pancakes now. So I was just getting ready. It's 6:15 PM right now and this is what I am wearing and change कर लिया and रेडी हो रही थी तभी कुरियर वाला आया. दिस इज द थर्ड टाइम द कुरियर बॉय नॉक्ड इन एंड आई गॉट दिस. Okay, so this is a very cool surprise and my Bidu gang has sent this to me. This is very thoughtful and I just love it. And thank you so much guys for making my birthday so special. You know, lockdown scenes and stuff, we used to enjoy a lot, surprising each other and everything we used to do, and we are still doing it in this way. This means a lot to me. I love you guys and thank you so much. You don't know how much this little thing made my day. I'm so happy. And also it has this cute little note which is very personal to me. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
अरे
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So I was being sent out. Actually we change करून थांब जरा. Actually मी चेंज करून बाहेर गेलेली. I was being sent out for some reason. आणि घरी आल्यावरती we have this. So this is the whole surprise planned by this lady here, looking all gorgeous. And मला तो ड्रेस खूप ऑकवर्ड फील झाला आणि मी चेंज केला आणि आय मीन दिस अगेन. आणि फुगे मम्मीने बोलवले. So yeah, that's the whole thing. And now let's do the whole session, whatever that is. So let's go. Here are the two cakes. This one my family got for me and this one is my friends sent for me. So gonna cut them both and I don't know what to say. Okay, bye. सो द मोमेंट इज हिअर. जी गोष्ट कालपासून आली आहे या घरात आणि एवढं मोठं सस्पेन्स क्रिएट करून ठेवलंय की मला तिथे फिरकूनही नाही दिलंय की काय गिफ्ट आहे. नो आयडिया. अँड इट्स हिअर. हे असं एकदम चादरीत बिदरीत पॅक करून घेऊन आली आहे आणि हे आता खूप हलतंय. सो आता लेट्स जस्ट
This is probably gonna get tangled. It's very difficult to manage. Anyways, this is the gift that I've been, like prepping up for since a month now, and it's finally time that I hand it over to her, and let's see her reaction. Let's see. I want you to open it, so I'll
So
just
please somebody hold the camera. So shall I just...
Yeah, you can open it. Zara gap na.
So
It would be nice if you sit against this wall.
holding back
Okay.
all the excitement since yesterday. Now let's see.
This way, it will open this way. Wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, wait, I forgot something actually. I had to. I had something else also. Just hold it. Wait. Yeah.
So I am all I know. So here is the first thing. Obviously, I like dark chocolate, so she has got dark chocolate, and I think so. Probably everybody is just excited to know what's in here because nobody knows what's there. Oh, look at excitement. So first we have this Nykaa Beauty ka some beauty product. Okay. This is
Look at the excitement, you guys. Hey, that's also another gift by one of our friends, Shrishti, right?
yeah.
So she gifted this chocolate bouquet to her.
So here is I assume this is cookie crumble or whatever.
No, I know you wouldn't like that kind of stuff, so
Okay, let me open.
you can open that later actually. Just
So the makeup pouch. Okay. This is gonna be a real help. Again one nail paint. Okay.
there's something else, like there's more, I think in that box or it's in this one. Just, it's in this one.
I assume this is a lipstick.
You are a genius.
Yeah, it's a lipstick. So here it is. So was that all for me? Like the other day you were asking me the shades and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is the night.
हे तर आपल्याकडे हा शर्ट मी घातलाय फोटो अरे प्राचीला दिलं ना
Ignore my brother, is such a nonsense.
You'll have to check the size actually. So there's 30 days written. तुला S size?
चालेल
And this
So it's like a pure cotton night suit. नाही यार साडी नाही. No, another night suit. It's a night suit.
किती रिअलाइज
not telling the
संजीतने काय घेतलं ते दाखव ह्यांना गौरीला विजयवशीला
हे दिवाचं
आणि पायात.
आणि पायातली छान त्याचे
Thank you so much, Komal. This was so special and I literally loved it. I mean, thank you very much.
By the way, this took me like 2 to 3 days to make this entire box and even that shredded paper in that case. Feel that.
Okay, so basically she must be very busy. She starts her work in the morning and ends up late night, and still finding out time out of it and doing all of this does means a lot. And thank you so much for all of this. I'm surely gonna wear it soon and you guys gonna watch it in my vlog sometime. So yeah.
And this guy did not help me at all. I've been doing everything on my own, okay?
हा बॉक्स करायला तिने
या मेकअप साठी छान आहे बॉक्स
हा मेकअप साठी
Makeup साठी
मस्त.
box.
Yes,
Got
yes.
something to say.
कोमल
She has
असं
got
घे.
something to say.
कशी पण
तिला काहीतरी बोलायचंय. बोलू द्या.
हा बॉक्स करताना तिने मला खूप इरिटेट केलंय. मम्मी असं दर, मम्मी तसं दर, दीदीला असं छान द्यायचंय.
And we have fought a lot.
हा पिंक बॉक्स आहे ना
त्यानंतर
आपल्याला
तो
द्या.
घरी कुठेतरी पडणार
साडी ठेवायला.
आहे. नाही पण दीदीला छान दिसला पाहिजे आणि त्यासाठी तिने भरपूर मेहनत घेतली आहे. एक वस्तू लॉकडाऊन मध्ये मिळत नव्हती. कधी तिला रिबन मिळत नव्हती, कधी तिला पेपर कमी पडत होते.
बुलेट तुटली यांच्या घराची.
तरी तिने हे आता असं केलंय आणि आपल्या दीदीला आणून दिलंय. इथपर्यंत पोहोचलंय.
Really cute, yeah.
Guys, let me know in the comment section how do you like this box. It took me 2
I
days.
have got so many gifts this birthday, particularly from my mother and Komal and everyone. Like, हे every year ना म्हणजे असं सगळं काय काय करतात, पण हे गिफ्ट या वर्षी खूपच जास्त झाले. So I am over.
But apart from the gifts, did you like this box? Because it's the most, it was the most time consuming.
I like this thing. This is not a sort of.
We spent 4 to 5 hours to make that shredded paper.
भांडलो दोघी. त्याच्यासाठी
हा.
दोघी आम्ही खूप भांडलोय.
मला वाटलं हापूस आंब्याचं आलंय.
नाही गाईज, ह्याच्यासाठी आम्ही 15 रुपयाचा एक टिंटेड पेपर आणला आणि त्याचं आम्ही बनवलं.
Use it for something. I have something on my mind.
Cool.
बर्थडेला पण.
Not gonna be.
करू stop?
बर्थडेला बघूया.
So that's the whole outfit, not outfit, my night suit, and I'm just loving it. Thank you so much, Komal, for this one, and I completely love it. And secondly, we all are like really a lot tired. These people are तो actually मेरे से भी ज़्यादा tired because they've been working अभी की गायब हो गया wow. So इनकी जो भी decoration था उसके लिए काम करते थे and बड़ा
काम सिर्फ मामी ने और मैंने ही किया है, ठीक है?
Yeah, and then all of these things, I am like literally overwhelmed for this birthday. Like सगळ्यांनीच खूप gifts आणि खूप special feel करवलंय. I don't know, and that's it. Matter I'm like speaking.
There's one more that you're gonna try.
I know I'm gonna try. I told them, but I might not vlog it because I'm tired. So I'm not sure. I just want to end the vlog here. So it was like very good day. I had a lot of fun and खूप जास्त मजा गेली. सगळं छान झालं. I thank each and every person in my life for making me feel very special, loving me so much, and I don't know if I deserve all of this or not, but and like I feel really happy and special all about this. Thank you. And for you guys to show us some love, please share, subscribe, and like, yeah.
Yeah, like that would be the best birthday gift.